winter, a divil came to bide at Doric. Och, but it wasna awfu' long, afore he was fair scunnert. He couldna find a thing to do at Doric, apart fae heckling a minister for the rafters of the kirk Sunday. Ach, but a divil needs a bit mair to keep him amused. And ae day he was stunning up in a hill up above the kirkton of Doric, when he looked across the valley, recht oer the dee, oer towards Benahee, the muckle hill, wi' mither top, stunning prood. And the divil thought, hey, I wonder if I could get some fun with Jock the Giant. So he shouts out, he says, Jock, Jock, are you aboot? And Jock the Giant, stretches and rocks his arms and he's been having a nap. And he looks over towards Doric and he sees the Deil. And he says, hello, all Nick, fit can I do for you? Well, the Deil says, ach, Jock, I'm fair scunnert. I wondered if we could maybe have a wee competition or something just to get the bleed flowing, a bit of excitement. What kind of competition? Said the giant. Well, I've heard you're gey good at throwing steens. I wondered if we could have a put a shot or something. Shot putting competition. Well, afore the divil could blink, Jock the Giant had bent down and picked up a muckle boulder and flung it recht at the Deil. It get fizzing by his lug. Oi, says the divil, hang on a minute. Well, a second boulder come fizzing recht oor the top of his horns, in the blink of another eye. Hey, wait a minute, says the divil. He was getting real roused by now. Well, Jock hadn't dachelt. He had got the biggest boulder of all and flung it recht at a divil, who ducked just in time. Well, now there were 3 steens on the hillside afore him, and there was steam coming out of the divil's lugs. He was raging, and he picked up a great big boulder, and he took aim, and he was just awa to fling it recht at Jock the Giant, when his wife, with the top of her voice, shouted out, "Hey, all horny! What are you doing leaving your socks lying about again?" Well, a divil, in sick and ill temper, turned round, and instead of flinging the boulder at Jock, he flung it at his wife, and it landed recht on her croon. And if you look up at Clachna Bay in a day, you'll still see that great muckle steen with the divil's wife buried under it. Now, I dinna ken if the divil was a bitty upset about what he'd done to his wife, or if he was just fair sick fed up at Doric. But he got awa, and he's never been back.